My name is Vishram and I work for AME in the lithography department. Been employed with Global Foundries for a little over 4 years. So straight out of college, I actually just wanted a job, and I took a job with a janitor company. And this Global Foundries is one of the sites that they were contracted to. When I drove onto the job site, I was amazed just by the size of the site alone. Walking into the clean room was like I look at it like a life-changing process, and interest just really peaked. And just being here every day, seeing everything, I was able to network, meet the right individuals, and I was able to get my resume to HR. A lot of my job at Global Foundries, a lot of it entails analyzing data, reviewing action plans, assigning tasks to my fellow teammates, following up, providing updates to management team, and just overall reporting on a day-to-day on our equipment improvement statuses and stuff like that. My favorite thing about my job is the fact that I make a difference. My team makes me feel empowered. They look at me for a lot of guidance on a day-to-day. So I feel important when I'm here. Outside of work, I like to play basketball, I like to work on my car, I like to take my puppy out for walks. It's a Yorkie Terrier, and his name is Theodore. Yeah, he's a little guy with a big personality. I had mentioned I do enjoy working on my car. Growing up, I didn't really see much of an interest in it, but now, as I have a completely different car, I'm actually very interested in keeping this car. So I think just because I want to keep it long term, been so interested in learning about it. So in my free time, I have a lot of buddies here that actually has the same car, so I can talk to them about what I can do about it. If something's wrong with my car, I can talk to my buddies from work about what could potentially be wrong, how I can go about getting it looked into, rather than always bringing it down to the dealership to have it looked into. I recommend Global Foundries as a place of interest for anyone that's interested in employment opportunities. Because I came here as a janitor 6 years ago, and it was the best decision I've ever made. So I can honestly say, I don't think I could have done anything differently. That one decision one day to just take a job here to make some extra cash resulted in where I am today.